Hi guys, happy weekend, and today we are trying something that we do here in Germany.
Let's go.
The German language is super interesting and we often blend words together. We do have in English blend words, but in Germany they seem to stick every single word together to make a compound word. And it is perfect for Lenormand, Kipper, Gypsy, playing cards, any system where you want to combine the meaning of two things. In the German reading community, there is an exercise where you say, for these two cards, list one word. And that works in German because you can combine your words together to make one. It's a little bit more difficult for us in English, but if we do it the other way around, we can understand this form of combining the meanings of the cards. So today we are going to do a few blend words. Blend word 1, frenemy. What cards would you choose to show a frenemy in Lenormand? Dog plus mountain. A frenemy. A friend and an enemy combined. It's even easier in the Gypsy cards because we have our enemy card. So you can put any person card next to that enemy and get a frenemy. But you can also put your fidelity card and see the fidelity, the loyalty of an enemy. So also encapsulating the word frenemy. So let's look at snark, a snide remark. How do we see a snide remark, a snark in the cards using just two cards? So we obviously need a communication card, which is the remark. So let's find letter in our lovely rider Lenormand. And then we need a little side of snide. So we have two cards, their meanings combined, so they color one another into one word and we get a snark. Fox and letter, snark. And Kipper, you all know what this is going to be, don't you? Snark, dishonesty and letter. And let's try one more. How about family? A friend that is family. Family. What cards do we need to see family? Kipper cards, I would personally go with living room rather than house because living room shows the inner quarters of the family. And our friendly card, good outcome in love. You can also use a person card, obviously, and create your own family. So I'm going to put a list of blend words in the comments. See if you can blend some cards together and let me know what your thoughts are on it. If you want to do a video, share the video with me. If you want to just post on social media, tag me in at the Card Geek. I am everywhere. Have a wonderful day.